Good evening. Okay, right, this is the Arken Zulus, and I've replaced the standard, is it 850 nanometer infrared illuminator with the 940 nanometer. Now obviously you can see that quite clearly on the phone. I'm looking at that and I don't want to look at it dead on, but there's just a very, very, very faint, and it is genuinely faint, red dot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap from the 940 back to the 850, I think it is, and see if there's any significant difference. So that's the 940, the upgrade, with almost genuinely no glow at all, despite what you can see on the phone in front of you. Right folks, so this is the standard 805, 850, 815 nanometer, whatever it is, and I can assure you, even despite what you can see, I assure you it's a much brighter glow. I don't have an infrared filter, but it is much easier to see that than the 940 nanometer, so it does make a difference. Thanks for watching.